Look at this wiggly guy I found. And look at my dirt. It's so squishy. The flowers love the water. Look at this one. It's blue like the sky. And this red one is Mars. We can build a whole castle right here on this plate.
Ugh, the aroma. Earthy with a hint of dewdrop. A true delicacy from my kitchen. Behold, the forest floor. I call this the emerald carpet, a delicate blend of herbs and spun sugar designed to transport you deep into the woods.
Here's my rainwater mud pie. Want a bite? The consistency is nearly perfect.
Just needs a touch of garnish.
It looks amazing, Chef. Okay, the secret is that these aren't just rocks. They are dinosaur eggs waiting to hatch. And if you listen closely, you can hear them tapping.
Ah, yes, the subtle aroma of the forest floor. Notice the deep, earthy notes of this exquisite moss. Truly a vintage year.
Look at this one. It needs more flowers right here. I finished mine. Look what I made. It has extra rocks. That is a fantastic mud pie, Lilybug.
The key to the garnish is balance. This sprig here provides the necessary acidity to cut through the density of the loam.
And here is my famous dirt delight, topped with petunias. I call this the mud monster mash. Look at this one. It's the shiniest one I found yet. I think it's a diamond for the queen's pie. Look how tall this is. It goes on forever. Garnish. Okay, check this out. The moss totally enhances the aroma. See? Now sniff it. This isn't just any moss. This is a culinary masterpiece. Go on, try it. Look at this. It's so bumpy and scratchy. When you rub it like this, it feels all rough and crumbly. It's amazing. My mud pie is way prettier than yours, Tom. Nuh-uh, mine is a skyscraper. They're all yummy. This is how you make the perfect mud pie, you see? You have to get the mud really wet first.
I call this one a savory delight.
Look at the gravel. See how it sparkles like tiny diamonds when the sun hits it. It's like magic dust everywhere.
The world seen through a single drop of water, a microcosm of the muddy earth below, illuminated by the soft morning sun.
Here's a cookie. I made it myself. We should make mud pies right here.
Yes, and we can use these leaves. Proper ingredients. Who needs them? Mud pies are way more creative than your silly cake.
Time to test the crunch factor of my famous gravel. Here we go. That is loud.
Stir it faster, stir it faster. Whoa, look at the flour. Whoops. It's perfect. Let's dance.
Okay, the secret is you gotta stir it super fast in a circle. See the vortex? That's how you make the ultimate mud.
Stomp on the worm!
I'm gonna get you!
Look at all this mud!
So for the surprise element, I added pickles. Don't tell anyone, it's our little secret.
The 12-spotted cream-colored ladybug, or Collier-Magilla maculata, is a common sight in these mossy regions. It plays a vital role in the ecosystem.
I hereby declare this magnificent creation ready for tasting.
Behold, my masterpiece, the finest mud pie in all the land.
Kick it over here! I got it! You're it, run! The mouthfeel is incredible. It's got this gritty texture, super crunchy. Definitely a solid 9 out of 10 on the gravel scale.
The creativity here is outstanding. From the layered pebble effect to the vibrant floral arrangements, these are truly the haute cuisine of mud pies.
See that? That's how you make a mud pie. Don't even try to top it.
This is the most viscous mud ever. Look, the viscosity makes it super sticky when I lift the stick like this. It's perfect. Look what I made! Mine is the biggest one. It's so funny.
The aromatic profile is incredibly complex. It's got distinct notes of damp earth, a hint of pine, and definitely some decomposed.
This one is so beautiful. I really like the way it sparkles in the sun. It's my favorite rock now.
This thick, dark mud is way better. It's perfect for building.
No way. The runny stuff is obviously superior. You can splash it.
The inchworm, or geometer moth larva, uses its specialized prolegs to navigate the dense, textured surface of the mud.
Look, I made a yummy mud pie just for you. It has sticks.
Look, I know flavor, okay? The extra chili powder is essential, and if you can't see that, then you just don't get my genius.
I really liked the part where we got to run around.
Yeah, but I think the best part was the snacks afterwards.
See, this is my special gravel topping. Listen to the natural crunch. Isn't it the best?
Behold, the finest delicacy this land has to offer. A rare mud pie, aged to perfection.
Look at mine, it has the most leaves. But mine is bigger. It's a double layer with extra rocks. Yummy, I used the sparkly mud.
As the monsoon rains hit the soft mud, a fragile bubble forms, reflecting the sky before it bursts.
I put this big leaf right on top, and these are the candles.
Wow, that looks incredible. Did you use the special mud?
I did, it's super squishy.
Look how big the castle is getting. Wow, this mud is so much fun. Let's add more leaves.
Ta-da! The ultimate secret ingredient. Beat that.
No, trust me, this batch is amazing. It's got that earthy crunch, but then it finishes with a subtle hint of sidewalk. It's unique. We did it! The greatest mud kitchen in the world! I hope someone eats mine. Muddy.